What is coastal litter? Coastal litter is usually something which often less important to talk about, but do you know that over half the litter found on our beaches is plastic? And 40% of all the litter found on beaches has been dropped by beach visitors? Coastal litter includes all objects that do not naturally occur in the marine and coastal environment but are nevertheless found there. It is also known to be marine litter, which is the collective term for any man-made object that present in the coastal environment. Coastal litter can blow around, remain floating on the water surface, or sink to the deeper seabed. Let's have a quick look at the coastal litter that are commonly found at the Redang beach, Sekinchan. Broadly, there are about 4 main ingredients of coastal litter, such as seaweed, leaves, cigarette butt, as well as a cocktail of plastics and man-made rubbish. Coastal litter is a complex problem, as what goes into the coastal area stays there, unless it is digested by the coastal ecosystem. An estimated of 100,000 of marine mammals, such as turtles and sea birds, are killed by plastic litter around the world. Besides that, many marine animals also mistaken plastic items as their usual food, in which, if it is ingested, it can cause starvation and poisoning. Also, many animals can be easily entrapped in discarded nets, trapping bands, systems of packaging drink cans and ropes or threads, in which can cause flesh wounds and drowning. Nonetheless, marine waste and coastal litter problems are indeed an eyesore on our coastline areas, and may involve the disaffection of beaches by the tourists. It is hopeful that none of us will litter and pollute our natural beaches. Always think twice before trying to litter our coastal ocean.